Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the songs in CapCut templates. So here I've already on the templates menu in CapCut. So you can just select the templates that you want to use. Okay, for example, I'm going to use this one. Just click on the use template and select photo or videos to use. Okay, I'm going to select photos. This one's right here. Okay, when you're done, just click on next. Okay, so actually if the creator allow it, you can change the song in here before you exporting the templates. But if you cannot find the option to change the template the songs, you can just export the video first. Let's export it. So after it is done, you can just open the video in the new project. Okay guys, so as you guys can see here, I've already opened the templates before in a new project like this. So next, what you need to do is just change the song. First, just mute the current songs on the template. Then click on the add audio and then add the other video or the audio that you want to add into the templates that you use. For example, I'm going to use this one. Just click on the plus icon, then download it again. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.